Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Tour.
Hi, everyone. It's so nice to see you again.
I am Alex.
And I am Maya.
We are very happy you are here with us today.
Yes. And before we start, Alex, how are you today?
I'm doing great, Maya. I had a nice cup of coffee this morning, so I feel fresh and ready. What about you?
I'm good too. I had a busy morning, but I'm excited to be here and practice English with everyone.
That's great. And that's exactly what we're going to do today.
Today, we are talking about something very useful for every English learner.
Yes, today's topic is daily English conversation practice.
This is about real English you can use every day in real life.
Not difficult English, just simple, natural English.
We will practice conversations from daily situations.
Like coffee shops, shopping, asking for directions, and meeting people.
Also making plans and talking about the weather.
And remember, practice activities for home, office, or traveling are in the description. Please check it.
Yes, and try to speak with us. Don't just listen. Practice out loud.
All right, let's start. First, let's talk about the weather.
Yes, everyone talks about the weather.
That's true. It's one of the easiest ways to start a conversation in English.
And you can talk about the weather with anyone, friends, coworkers, or even strangers.
Exactly. It's simple, safe, and very common.
So, Alex, how's the weather today?
It's a beautiful day today. The sky is clear and the sun is shining.
Yes, it is. I really like this kind of weather. It makes me feel happy.
Same here. It's perfect for a walk outside.
Do you usually go out when the weather is nice?
Yes, I do. I like to go to the park or have coffee outside.
That sounds relaxing. But sometimes the weather is very different.
Yes, sometimes it is very cold.
It is very cold today.
Oh, yes, I can feel it. I need a jacket.
Me too. I always wear warm clothes when it's cold.
Do you like cold weather?
Not really. I prefer warm weather. What about you?
I like cold weather, but not too cold.
Haha, same here. And sometimes it rains a lot.
Yes, it is raining a lot today.
I don't like heavy rain. It makes everything difficult.
True, traffic becomes slow and it's hard to go outside.
I hope it stops soon.
Me too. I forgot my umbrella today.
Oh no, that's a problem.
Yes, I might get one on the way home.
Next time, always check the weather.
Lesson learned. These are very simple and useful sentences.
Yes, you can use them every day in real conversations.
Let's quickly review some key sentences.
It is a beautiful day today.
It is very cold today.
I need a jacket.
It is raining a lot.
I hope it stops soon. Alex, what is your favorite weather?
I like sunny weather, not too hot, not too cold.
That's perfect weather.
What about you?
I like rainy weather sometimes. It feels calm and peaceful.
That's interesting. I prefer sunshine. Hey, listeners. Now it's your turn. Repeat after us.
It is a beautiful day today.
It is very cold today.
I need a jacket.
It is raining a lot.
I hope it stops soon.
Great job. Practice these sentences every day.
Today, we learned how to talk about the weather in English.
Very simple, very useful, and very common.
You can use these sentences anytime, anywhere.
At home, at work, or even when meeting new people.
And don't forget to check the description for more practice sentences.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English too.
It can help them improve as well.
Every like Every share and every subscribe helps our channel grow.
Keep learning and keep practicing.
See you next time. Bye.